Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Binance verification failed. All right. So first up, we would need to check our app or even our network first, okay, to ensure that the data will be transmitted smoothly. Also, if you're using VPNs, make sure to disable it for now, okay, before doing the verification process under Binance. Okay, so first up, let's go ahead over to our Play Store or App Store. Okay, go and find Binance. And if they are available, update. Okay, just tap on update, wait for the process to finish. And after that, redo the verification process and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, if it fails when using the mobile app, well, you can just go ahead and continue the verification process by using one of your browsers. Okay, just log into Binance.com right here and then continue the verification process. Now, if the problem stated under your Binance account says, okay, right here is a problem with your photo or the identification or even the document that you have sent, okay, well, just go ahead and ensure that the IDs are fully in frame inside your camera, okay, and do make sure that your camera is not blurry. Make sure that you use a phone that got a decent camera. Now, if it says that a problem is with your facial recognition, again, make sure that you use a decent camera, okay, or a phone with a decent front camera. Remove masks, hats, or glasses. Ensure a plain background as well. If you have a white background, oh, that's better. And make sure that the lighting on your face, okay, is in there, because if it's dark, well, Binance won't read it. That's basically it. And lastly, when doing the verification process, just make sure that the personal details entered exactly match your ID document. Okay? And that is how you fix the Binance verification failed issue. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.